waste to energy power plants. Okay, so this is something which resembles to that of working of a thermal power plant. Like in thermal power plant, the coal is there, which is incinerated or combusted in a boiler, and thereby the steam is produced. Okay, so the water is fed to the boiler and coal is combusted there, it is burned there, and due to the burning of coal, the steam is produced. The water boils and the steam is produced, and that steam is further used to run a turbine. Because a similar type of operation is being performed in waste to energy power plant. Instead of coal, the municipal solid waste that is burned there. So the burning, the heat produced from the burning of municipal solid waste, that is used for production of steam. Okay, so this steam, okay, it is heated, becomes superheated steam, and then this steam is used to run the turbines. Okay, these turbines, they are coupled with the generator, and the generator that is producing the electricity. Okay, so the simplified blocks or the components of a waste to energy power plant that is being indicated here. So the boiler is there, and in the boiler, the municipal solid waste that is fed there. Then further it is burned. Okay, then the steam that is produced. The superheater further heats the steam or removes the moisture content in the steam. Now this steam is further fed to supplied to the turbine. The turbine that is coupled with the generator, and generator that is producing electricity. Now further the exhaust, the steam coming out from the turbines, that is still having a huge amount of heat. So that can be further used for other purposes like the heating or cooling of buildings. Okay, then further after that the steam gets condensed, it is fed, it goes to the economizer, and the flue gases which are coming out from the boiler, they preheat the steam using this heat in the flue gases. Okay, and then it is again circulated to the boiler. Okay, so here we are seeing that the applications of the heat which is obtained from municipal solid waste, that is first of all, yes, it is used for producing electricity, and after that next purpose is for the heating or cooling of a building. So this type of plants we can call as combined heat and power plant, because heat is also used there, power is also generated there. Okay, so it is thereby increasing the efficiency of the system. Okay, one more concern here which is being addressed, that is the flue gases which are coming out from the boiler, because there is a combustion of this municipal solid waste. So toxic components would be present there. Okay, carbon dioxide would be there, silicon, sulfur dioxide, and the nitrous oxides and ppm, particulate matters, they would be present there in the exhaust flue gases. So for that, the flue gas cleaning system is there. It uses the carbon capture and storage concept or carbon capture and utilization concept. So in the carbon capture and storage, the these toxic components, they are being absorbed, okay, by using some type of this membrane or the gel or some other chemicals. They are absorbing these components, and the flue and the output, the exhaust gases coming out from the chimney after being passing through this CCS, the carbon capture storage system, that is clean. That is not having any type of these toxic components or any type of pollutants. So it is not harming the environment as well. Okay, so this is basically also solving the problem of municipal solid waste as well as electricity requirement, as what we studied in our previous discussion. Okay, so it is also environment friendly. Okay, and one more concept, that what we are doing with this uh, the accumulated pollutants, they are being accumulated there in the carbon, they are captured, then they are stored. So they are stored at some location, suitable geographical location, we can store it. Okay, so some type of locations like the depleted reservoirs. Okay, like a coal mines, the coal is already taken out and depleted region is there, so we can store it there. Okay, another concept is the carbon capture and utilization. So there the captured carbon or the pollutants or the carbon basically, that is being used in further applications in industrial applications, in refining, okay, in mining as well, in some other applications it is used. Okay, although this process increases the cost of this power generation, but it is, on the other hand, it is giving a huge benefit to the environment. Like it is not polluting the environment. Okay, so I think I shall stop here.